Shanti. And today is a very good topic because this year, that is 2013, Baba has specially given this homework to serve the whole world, not by words, and we cannot reach, but by vibration we can serve the whole world. Before that, we have to ask ourselves, so who will do this pure, powerful vibration? Who will create? I, the soul. And in that soul, there are three powers: mind, intellect, and impression. If my mind is clean, pure, and powerful, then whatever thoughts I create, those thoughts will be powerful and they will reach any corner of the world. So that's why Baba said, vibrations are more powerful than the words. So what is that Mansa Seva? Actually, there are 4 types of Mansa Seva. There are 4 types. First one is serving the self. First, I have to serve myself. If I am very strong, clean, powerful, pure, that I can serve others. Second is serve the whole worldly souls. That is second. Third one, and actually that is second one, is serving the whole world by our pure vibration, and it is 100% accurate, perfect meditation. This is Raj Yoga, which is taught in this Ishwariya Vishwavidyalaya in Brahma Kumari's ashram. You may ask, what is perfect Raj Yoga? Serve others by pure, powerful vibration. How it is? There is an explanation. Third one is, we say one God, one family. We are all one family. So in this family, all are not having same type of role. All are having different type of role. Varieties, sanskars, habits are there. And we are all in one family. Some things will go against of my will and wish. All cannot behave as per my will and wish. So some disturbances will be there. So for that, what to be done? So that Baba has explained today also in the Murli, switch on and come to me, fly to subtle world. From there, you sustain, you give pure vibrations to our own family, our own brothers and sisters. So this is third type of doing Mansa Seva. And fourth one is, Baba said, if you want to serve the whole universe, come to incorporeal world, stay in that incorporeal stage, and then the serve whole world by vibrations. These are the 4 ways. First, serving the self. To how to serve the self? How to make our my own mind clean, pure? Because we know very well, mind is, at present, mind is not so clean. Because environment is not clean. And we have traveled the whole cycle. Soul is very weak, impure. And we do not like to create negative thoughts till mind is not in my own control. So what to be done? What is the solution for this? And I have tried in my own life. The first experiment I have done So how to keep mind always clean, always pure? So I came to know, that's why the one word is used, do not control your mind. Do not suppress your mind. But what to be done? If by chance negative waste thoughts will come, what to be done? Do not control. How long you are going to control? And do not suppress it. So what to be done? Convince the mind. So who will convince the mind? If somebody is doing something wrong, seniors will convince the juniors, teacher will convince the student, parents will convince the children. Who will convince me? Who will convince my own mind? The first step I have tried, I have studied. So whenever I was listening Murli, with full attention I was just listening. And while listening, I will select one very important point which I like. Because all are having their different aim of life. So as per my choice, I will select one important point. I will note down it on a small paper and I will keep in my pocket. Because it is said, healthy mind in healthy body. So if I want to make this body very healthy, minimum 3 times in a day, I feed this body. So body is very healthy. How to make the mind very healthy? Just early in the morning, we listen Murli point, we note down, but whole day we cannot remember. We do not have that type of sound memory power. We have to do many things. Many responsibilities are there. Many worries are there. So how to remember? What to be done? So I have tried in my life. So once early in the morning, I used to note down only one very important point as per my choice. And I will note down, I will keep in my pocket. After Murli class is finished, I go for breakfast. And we are having 2 hands. Definitely when breakfast is coming in front of me, right hand will go. With this right hand, I will feed this body. What is the role of left hand? I will put this left hand in my pocket and I read what Baba said to me. It is a positive thought. It is a food for me, for my mind. Morning I do this. Afterwards I am busy with my own activities. Once again I go for lunch. Lunch will come on the dining table. Left hand never go there. Right hand will go. What is the role of left hand? Pick up, feed yourself. Similarly, once again in the night, when dinner is coming in front of you, once again feed yourself. So there is a balance. Sound mind, sound body. Before that, body is very sound. Because 3 times in a day, I take care of this body. Body means 5 elements, 5 vices. So, body is very strong. 5 vices are very strong. But the soul, mind, is, we are taking food once early in the morning, we read Murli, no doubt. Only once. Weak mind, sound body. There is an imbalance. So what to be done? There must be a balance. Okay, 3 times in a day, I take care of this body. Minimum 3 times in a day, I have to take care of the self. And positive thought, is a food for me. This is the first step. Now you may say, Baba is telling always, go fast. The word Baba use always, do Tyur Purusharth. One is Purusharth, second is Tyur Purusharth. Go fast. You want to go more fast? Yes, there is a second system. There are 5 systems are there. But I will explain you here 3 at present. So second is, if I want to go very fast, that second technique is, whole day I come in relation with others, in communication, in profession, in business. We come in relation. Somebody will talk to me. I have to talk to others. I have to meet with others. I have to talk. Somebody will phone me. Yes, I have to listen. But he will give negative input. Many things he will share with me. I have to listen. I cannot run away because we are in family life. We are not sannyasis. So what to be done? He is sharing some negative things. My mind is, I get influenced. So there is a solution for this. So whenever somebody is calling me, phone, talk to him 1 hour. At the last, knowledge must be available. It is somewhere else. I have to find out, it will take time. It is available. After finishing, brother, wait 1 minute. What Baba said, I will share with him. If he is Baba's child, then I will use, yes, today Baba said this. He has given me negative. I will give positive. The negative influence will be wiped out. For this knowledge must be available. Otherwise, we take down notes, diary will be somewhere else, I will be somewhere else. So it must be always available. Very simple, take only 1 point, keep in your pocket. Whenever somebody is phoning, once, twice, thrice, if suppose he is Baba's child, tell him, today Baba said very good point. Share with others. Suppose by chance he is not BK, he is non-BK. Okay, he is telling many things, worldly things. But do not say Baba said, you tell him, today I have read a book and I want to share with you. He said, okay. Instead of using Baba, yes, I have read 1 book. If I get angry, what will happen? Same thing. Explain. Instead of using Baba word, just you share the positive things. This is second technique. Because we have to talk. We cannot run away from this world. We have to do business. We are in profession. We have to work. We have to do everything. But while doing everything, we can maintain. We can sustain ourselves. It is possible. There is no need, separate time is necessary. Oh, I am very busy. Okay, be more busy. There is no need to run away. While doing everything, we can protect, we can sustain ourselves. This is second. And you want to go more fast. There is also, just like in family life. Suppose in India mostly, in family life this is going on. Mother is in knowledge. Father is in knowledge. Children, they never listen. Suppose husband is coming regularly, wife never listen. Children never listen. What to be done? How to give them knowledge? How to sustain them? It's a very simple technique. Because by words, if you tell them, they never listen. They do not like it. Why? Because I listen here, Murli, when I go to my family life, there I get angry. There, while doing work, I disturb others. Say, so they never have faith on me. They never listen. So they want to see change in me. So there is no change in me. So whatever I am sharing, they never accept. They never listen. So what to be done? How to give them knowledge? So very simple technique. Suppose mother is cooking food. She is feeding food to the children, husband, family people. While feeding food, while serving food, what my mind is doing? Mind is free. It is a physical service. While serving, just I have to remember what Baba said me. If I am remembering that, the vibrations will serve others. This is the way how to serve the family people, not by words. So while feeding, while serving food, physically I am doing service. Mind is doing what? Free mind. Same time I have to remember what Baba said me. He is also Baba's child. So when you are remembering Baba's Murli point, so your mind is vibrating. This is the way of sustaining, sharing with family people, not by words. Possible or difficult? Because they do not want to listen. They want to see change in our behavior or attitude. And we listen, we cannot bring so fast change. Till how to explain, how to convince the family people. So it is a very simple technique. While serving the family people, you serve them by vibrations, not by words. Yes, possible for mothers or difficult? We have to do service, we cannot stop. Both the things, physically and spiritually, we can sustain, we can serve the family people also. So if I am doing like this way, so mind, always clean, pure, mind is full of knowledge. So there is no chance to emerge any negative things. If mind is free, then mind will create negative things. So what to be done? So these are the three techniques. How to keep my mind always knowledgeful. Not just early in the morning, I will read, I will listen, I will note down. It is not sufficient. Knowledge must be available. It must be emerge to serve the self and to serve the others. If I am doing this, very simple, while doing all the activities, if you are doing any profession, if you are doing any business, do anything. So while doing this, we can do this also. Along with this, if you want to go more fast, one more technique is there. Baba is telling knowledge is imperishable wealth. It is a wealth. It is an imperishable treasures. How you store it? How you make it imperishable? Suppose by chance I am in profession or business or doing anything, many people are phoning me. Listen them. After listening, you share what Baba said today. At least one person, if you are serving one day, for 1 year, we are making this sanskar eternal. How many people you are serving each day? How many people are phoning? We are coming in communication by oral or by phone, by email, by any means. When I come in connection with others, definitely I have to serve him from today's Murli. Baba said this, only one point. Again and again I am repeating, I am making strong sanskar, eternal sanskar. It is wealth. Knowledge is wealth. It is imperishable. It will serve me in the whole cycle. That's why Baba is telling always, knowledge, Murli, one point, it is a wealth. Make it imperishable. Serve others. How many people I am serving? My sanskar is very deep, strong sanskar. So there are different techniques how to keep my mind always pure, clean, It is possible. By staying in family life, business life, or in any type of profession, we can do this. Or it is difficult? What brothers are telling? Difficult? Easy? Sisters? It is difficult or easy? Possible? So, you cannot go again and again to center. Always we cannot read Murli, whole Murli. Only one point, one drop of positive thoughts is sufficient for one day. Tomorrow morning once again, Baba will give you once again new point. Each day, one Murli point must be in my pocket. First serve yourself and those who are coming in your connection, relation, try to serve them as much as possible, to make it very strong, deep sanskar. This is second. Now you may say, second point, that is how to serve myself. Then how to serve others. So in this Brahma Kumari ashram, in this, what is Raj Yoga here? Serve others by powerful vibrations. So how to serve? Whenever I see any brother, oh, yesterday he get angry on me. He had disturbed me. So I cannot close my eye. I have to see. I will come in relation. Thoughts will come. I will get influence. So what to be done? Whenever I see anybody, I cannot close. I cannot go aside. I have to talk. I have to deal. I have to stay with them. So how to protect my own mind? For that Baba has given very simple meditation. What is that? Whenever you see any soul, known, unknown, your friend, your enemy, any soul is coming in front of me, I should not leave him with empty hands. I have to give him something. So what you will give? We cannot smile also for all. Sometimes you say, okay, somebody will come, I will smile, not. So suddenly when you see, oh, he get angry on me, he has disturbed me, suddenly thought will come, my face will change. So how I will serve? So that Baba has given a very good, simple system. Any person, any human being is coming in front of you, known, unknown, your friend, your enemy, anybody is coming, suddenly put your hand not in your pocket. Where? In Baba's pocket. Baba said, only in this confluence age I am available to serve my children. So Baba said many times, use me. So any soul is coming in front of me, suddenly you put your hand in Baba's pocket. Baba, he is your child. Give him power of peace. Baba, he is your very good child. Give him power of love. I do not have anything, but I can take from him and I can serve. So here, one thing Baba said, follow Baba Shrimat. Constantly remember me. Constantly somebody is along in front of me. Constantly I am remembering Baba, taking from him and serving. And Baba said, constantly serve others. How to serve? I do not have anything. So Baba has given very simple technique. Use me. I am available. Only in this confluence age. Whenever you see, do not close your eye. See very clearly. And take from Baba and give vibrations. Baba, he is your child. Possible? This is 100% perfect meditation. While doing everything, we can keep company along with him. Same time, we can serve also others. So Baba is always along with me. I'm always keeping connection with him. I'm not separate from him. It is possible. While doing all the activities, try this today here by staying, while going, coming, see. Whenever you see, oh, who is he? Oh, he may be anybody else. What I have to do? What Baba has said me? Suddenly you remember Baba and create positive thought. This is 100% very simple technique to keeping my mind always clean and pure. This is what I have done. So I am sharing my experience. So you see, because listening, reading is not everything. We listen many things and we forget. So after listening, you try. Once you try and see whether it is working or not. If it is working, it is helpful, make it permanent. Because it is our lifestyle. Use it. Because just listening, nothing will come. Our attitude, our habits never change. Our deep-rooted habits, whenever I see, oh, he's so and so. So I will get influenced. That's why the one word is used. Influence-proof stage is called silence. Even though I see all, I should not get influenced. So what to be done? Definitely whenever I see, I will get influence. To protect myself, I have to do something. And what is that? Create always positive thoughts. So from where I will bring those positive thoughts? So each day early in the morning, Baba is giving. Select one very important point which you like it, as per your choice. Always in the Murli there are 4 subjects. Take one point and use it whole day for the self. Minimum 3 times you feed yourself. If somebody is coming in your relation, share with others. In family also, because charity begins at home. I am serving others. Along with that, I have to serve my family people also. Because we are staying in family. So staying in family, maybe and your friend, somewhere else you are working in your office. Many people are there around you. Serve. Not by words. They do not want to listen by words. By vibrations. Whenever you come close to them, create this. What Baba said me, Baba, he is your child. Give him also. When I am remembering that, so I am vibrating. My mind is vibrating. So I am serving others by vibrations. Like this way, I have to protect my own mind. Otherwise, whenever I come in relation with others, definitely I will get influence, either positive or negative. So how to protect? I have to create. By chance, if I forget, it is available. There is no need to find out somewhere else. It is available. Just to read. Okay? How to make mind clean. Not it is as it is, mind will be always pure whenever I see. Because outside everywhere, negative vibrations. Sometimes we may say, I do not want to give anything. I do not want to take anything. I want to become neutral. Possible? No, either you take or you give. We cannot be neutral. Either you give, otherwise you have to take. So what you want to do? You want to take or you want to give it. If you want to take, what you will take? What the whole world will give? Negative vibrations. And early in the morning, Baba is giving us. So positive things Baba is giving. So we can share with others. That's why Baba is saying, serve the whole world by positive vibrations. Now, third technique is, Baba said, always be angel and serve the whole world. First, before that, I have to serve my family people. Brahmin family. One God, one family. So, suppose by chance we are staying in one center. There are 10, 15, 25 brothers, sisters are coming regularly. Some brother is or sister not following Baba's Shrimad, rules and regulation, doing something wrong. And we know, you see them. So what you will do? You will keep quiet? Huh? You will give vibration. Okay. So you never think why he is doing like this way, why he is not following Baba Shrimad. So you never have thought, you never share with others. You will listen and just you will give vibrations. Now you ask yourself. So what we are doing? So suppose when you see somebody is doing something, somebody is violating the rules and regulation of Brahmin life, not regular, doing something, getting angry, going outside. Suppose you know it and you have seen, what you will do? You will keep quiet? Or you will share, oh, see, that brother is coming regularly in Baba's center, doing this, doing that. You want to share with others. Otherwise, how others will know who is he? So what is the solution? For this, Baba has given, there are two Murlis. In 1996 and 97, 2 years Baba has explained on this point. Only one point. 2 years Baba has explained in 1976 and 1977. What he has said, suppose you have seen somebody is doing something wrong, what you will do? What is your role? Baba has given 4 solutions. First, Baba said, Baba has not given you this what is responsibility. So, who is doing what? See others. We are not watchmen. Do not see here and there. All are having different role. They will do what they are doing. They will going to reap the fruit of it. You do not think about it. It is not your responsibility. You keep quiet. First. No, Baba, it is our family. We are one father's children. We are family, Brahmins. Yes, it is your family. Parents are there. Talk to parents. If anything goes wrong surrounding you, tell to Baba. Do not tell here and there. Do not you also keep in your mind, there will be a heart attack. Because negative things will go on accumulating. So share with Baba. Do not keep in your mind also. So you may say, with this also you are not satisfied. Third thing Baba said. What is? Tell to your seniors. Oh, seniors are not here, they are somewhere else. How to tell others? Fourth thing Baba said. If you are telling that, we are feeling, we are one family. So he is my brother, he is my sister. Okay. So you can convince him. It is possible. We can convince others. No. So what you will do? Keep quiet. Let go. So Baba has given solution. Okay. If you are having that power and you feel we are one family and he is my brother, he will listen me, appreciate him first. Brother, you are very good, you are very sincere, you are a very lovely child of Baba, you are very good. Please don't mind, I will tell something. There is some black dot on in your life. Tell him very sweetly. He will accept. But how to convince? First appreciate him. And then tell him. Last it is. First leave it. We are not, Baba has not given responsibility. All are having different role, independent role they are playing. Leave it. Till you feel one family, sir, like this way. Now one more thing, if you are reading sincerely Baba's Avyakt Murli, this year Baba has given new one Murli point, December, 31st December, this year, new medicine, because for headache there are different medicines. Since many years Baba is giving. But this year Baba has given very special medicine. Anybody knows? If something goes wrong, what to be done? Huh? Tell to Baba. New medicine. It is very old medicine. This year Baba said in the month of December, Baba said 31st December, Baba has given new medicine. If suppose many problems are there in your life, many worries, many things are going on, what to be done? What you will do? You will tell to Baba. Any more? Baba has given very new technique. Because each year Baba is coming and he is giving new techniques. For that Baba said, get up early in the morning, come straightway to Madhuban. Not physically, mentally, come to Madhuban. And Baba will make your mind powerful. So it is possible by staying in Shantivan we can go to Madhuban, or difficult? Huh? Now you have went to Madhuban. By staying in any corner of the world, by doing anything goes wrong, any difficulties comes, any problem comes, Baba has given solution. You may be anywhere else. Straightway come to Madhuban. Not with the body. Come with the mind. And Baba will make your mind very strong, very powerful. So each year Baba is giving new techniques, solution, looking to the present condition. That's why he is coming. Each year he is coming. Whatever is explained 50 years before, 40 years before, same thing is not going on. Each year he is coming and each year is giving new techniques. As per the present problems, he is giving new solutions, very easy, simple solutions. Just to get up early in the morning, if any problem, any difficulties, anything is there, sit, come to Madhuban. Because we have seen Madhuban. Easily we can come to Madhuban. Through the mind, not the body. Just to remember, come to Baba's room, share with Baba. So very simple technique he is giving. That's why when Baba is giving murlis, you have to study, you have to use those informations. Then only will become knowledgeful and powerful. Just listening, we cannot become more powerful. Mind is nowadays very naughty. Creating each second you see, just to 1 minute you see your mind, what my mind is doing. Observe yourself. Then you will realize. Now one more thing is, suppose, that's why one word is used always. It is very easy to teach others, but it is very difficult to teach the self. Suppose I will tell you, don't get angry. If I get angry, who will convince me? It is very easy to teach others. So I will tell you, you should not get angry. If by chance I get angry, who will teach me? Who will convince me? Huh? Who is I? A soul. If I and you, there are two persons. So I will convince others. If I get disturbed, who will convince me? Who will tell? Who will convince me? Huh? Yes, loudly. So I is soul. So I get disturbed. So who will convince me? That Baba will convince me. Yeah, that's why I'm asking. Yes, brother? Baba will convince. He will come and go. He is convincing each day early in the morning in the Murli. So he is convincing you also. So there is no question of giving class or telling anything. So who will convince me? If I do something wrong, who will convince me? Anybody? Which is very late. First you have given wrong answer, second time. That's why we are having two powers. If mind is disturbed, his mind is creating negative thoughts, intellect is there. Mind and intellect, there are two things, because up to today, science has taught to us conscious and subconscious. Where is intellect? So who will convince me? So tension, the word arise. So Baba said, Baba is coming and he is giving third eye. That is heart of the soul. We say, I am speaking from my true heart. This heart is speaking. It is physical. Intellect is the heart of the soul. So true intellect, powerful intellect, knowledgeful intellect. Whenever I am listening Murli, if I am remembered, yes, Baba said me this. By chance, when I see somebody, negative thought will come. That is a habit. So what to be done? Suddenly intellect will convince, no, Baba said me, do not think like this way, think like this way. So if intellect is knowledgeful, when I am listening Murli, if I am having attention, I am feeding myself again and again, so I remember, memory is there. So intellect will convince the mind. Negative thoughts will come. When you see others, thoughts will come. Mind is naughty. But to that naughty mind, who will convince? Do not suppress that mind. Do not control, but convince. Who will convince? I. That intellect, that is the heart. To convince the mind, knowledge is important. So while listening, if I am giving attention and taking one Murli point and feeding myself again and again, morning, afternoon, evening, so knowledge is emerged. If knowledge is emerged, I can serve myself first. Then I can serve others. First, I have to serve myself. For this, that's why these three techniques are very important. Just listen and do not leave it. We will take notes, but diary will be somewhere else and we are somewhere else. So only one point, each day one positive thought is sufficient. For 30 days, 30 Murli points are in my practical life. That's why the word is used, eat less, digest more. Listen few things, but use them in practical. How much you are bringing those Baba's version in practical, so we can see power in you. Powerful soul, knowledgeful soul. Not just by reading. There is no need to read many books. Only one point is sufficient for each day. Each day Baba is giving new points. And while listening, you select new points, not same. Each day he is giving new points. So like this way, if we are taking care, so we can see our mind is very clean. Whenever you see any soul, known, unknown, very naughty, very bad habits, even though you will have mercy on him, you will have positive thoughts for him. And that is what Baba is telling here. Perfect Raj Yoga it is. Perfect meditation. Whenever you see anybody, serve him with powerful vibrations. Either Baba's children or known, unknown, to serve. The self-awareness it is called. So whenever you see, you have to do work, you have to meet others, you have to talk others, you have to come in relation while doing all the activities, it is possible. That's why practice makes the man perfect. Practice is important. And very simple, not hard work. Each day one point must be available. Now fourth one, when you sit in meditation, always there are 4 stages. First is soul conscious stage. Be soul conscious. Second is angelic stage. Third is incorporeal stage. And fourth one is world benefactor stage. When you connect with powerhouse, when you remember him, when you connect your connection, for meditation there are 3 words are used. One is line clear. When you sit in meditation, our line must be very clear, connected to powerhouse. Then second word is connection must be clear. Line clear. Second is connection. Third is relation must be clear. Who is he? With whom I am connecting? So relation must be very clear. When I am having strong relation, I charge all the powers. With those powers, serve the whole worldly souls. Known, unknown, or individual, or group of the soul. That's why it is said, serve the whole world with powerful vibrations. Because I have connected with the powerhouse. From there, whatever I am creating, the vibrations are more powerful. This is fourth. So first, serve self. Serve the whole, those who are coming in front of you, that is Mansa Seva. While whenever you see known, unknown, suddenly first I have to give. If I am not giving, I will get influenced. See today, and you see one more thing, the result, instant and unique result you can see in one day. This medicine will give you instant and unique benefit. So what is the proof? The pure and impure soul. How you will say it is not written on the forehead? How you will say he is pure, he is impure? The dreams are telling what you are. When I am on the bed, eyes are closed, nobody is in front of me. The dreams are coming from where? So when I take birth in this body, each second, any action I am doing, each action is recorded. One attention is required. Always I have to remember only one word. See, any action I am doing with this instrument, each action is recorded. And for each action there is a reaction. And there is no excuse of ignorance of law of action. There are many reasons. He has disturbed me. Okay, he will disturb. It is his role. What I have done. So whatever I am doing, it is recorded in me. Whatever he is doing, it is recorded in him. To take or not to take, it is in my hand. So one word always I must remember. So whatever I am doing, it is recorded. And I am responsible for that. And it is my property. When I leave this body, I have to take along with me. I cannot leave it. Even I am having plenty of wealth, I cannot claim it is my property. I have to leave everything here along with this body. Everything I have to leave. But one thing I cannot leave here. And what is that? My own sanskars. So while doing action, I must be so alert, so active. So whatever I am doing, it is recorded. Somebody will do something wrong. It is their role. What I have done. So that while leaving this body, I have to carry something. Those my actions will come along with me. Because future life is not on the basis of knowledge, just listening. On the basis of sanskar. Sanskar will give you life. So what type of sanskar I have created? Today I can see dreams are telling what you are. What is recorded in me? So Baba is telling, always try to create positive for others. Protect yourself from the influence. And whatever I have done in past, to erase that, connect with the powerhouse. That constantly remember me. Charge yourself. So how much I connect? For that meditation also we require one more explanation. And we know it. Because full concentration is necessary. Meditation, just we are doing meditation, just you keep a piece of paper in heavy sunshine, it never burn into ash. But if you hold a lens And if your hand is not shaking, see, within a fraction of a second, you see that paper will burn into ash. It is not a magic. It is not a miracle. What happened? Sun rays are focused in one point. So I am having two powers, mind and intellect. I have to combine and connect with the powerhouse. How deep connection I am connecting, so much I can charge. The proof, day by day you see, I will be free from negative, impure dreams. Because I am charging, I am cleaning. And second, whenever I see I should not get influence, he is wrong, his behavior is not good. Okay, it is his role. But I should not get influence, protect from outside influence. How to protect? I cannot close my eyes. Whenever I see, I have to create one habit. Whenever I see any soul, first I have to give them something. But I do not have anything. Just to remember, Baba is your child. Give him power of peace. Give him power of love. Always I have to give. If I am doing this, 100% perfect meditation it is. And 100% I am protecting myself, my mind. It is my duty. Nobody will help me in this. I have to protect because it is my mind. And nobody do not know what my mind is thinking. Only I know it. That when I see this person, when I see her, when I see him, what my mind is creating. I know it. And I have to convince myself, nobody will help me here. Because only I know it. Because it is my mind. That's why nowadays it is very important, protect yourself. Do not blame others. All are having their own roles they have to play. And they will going to play. Because we cannot change others. We can change ourselves. I am having right on me, not on you. If there is a heavy rain, I cannot stop it. But I can protect from that rain. I can take umbrella. I can protect myself. But I cannot stop. But we want, otherwise, if this knowledge is not fully convinced, I want to see change in him. We want to change others. And you want to see them that he has changed. Not possible. When one day will come, he will realize and he has to change. That's why it is said, after realization there will be a change. It is right? Is it right? All will accept this? 100%? Those who say it is right, raise your hands. All. Somebody is not raising. Those who feel not, it is not right, raise your hands. I will raise the hand. It is not. This version is not perfect. It is incomplete version. You see, when you listen the Murli, Baba is telling you should not get angry. We read, we listen till same thing is going on. We have not realized. We have realized, we know it is poison. Anger is poison, we know it. So realization itself is not everything. After that you have to do something more. What is that? Implement. One word is okay. One more thing? Huh? Imbibe, it is okay. One more? After, because many times I have explained, after realization, two words are missing. One word she said, application. One more? What? A systematic effort. Application also systematically. Medicine is there. This medicine you have to take. This disease will going to cure. But there is a system. You have to take this medicine in empty stomach. This you have to take medicine after lunch. Some techniques are there. Systematic effort will bring a change after realization. So for everything there is a system. Techniques are there. Our deep-rooted habits, if you want to change, so how? Not natural, they will change. That's why Baba has given very simple easy technique. Whenever you see others very well, with open eye, with love, but create. Giving drishti means what? Not this eye, by powerful vibrations. We say give drishti. Drishti is what? Not this only looking others physical eye. Along with that, with powerful vibration. Baba, he is your child, give him power of peace. Baba, he is your child, give him power of love. When you give drishti, along with that, give powerful vibrations. But you do not give, take from him and you give it. Okay? This is what, how to keep your mind clean, powerful. With this, we can serve the whole world and serve the self. That is what I have seen in my life. Because early in the morning we read the Murli, but whole day we cannot remember. So what to be done? The solution for everything is there. Knowledge must be along with me. Whole diary I cannot keep whole day. So one point I can keep in my pocket. One point I can keep. This is not always. Do it for only 1 week. Afterwards there will be a habit. Afterwards naturally you will remember all Murli points. First create habit. For 1 week sincerely I have to do this effort. Okay? Good. Now anybody want to ask any question? You can ask. Yes. Brother, little bit come close. Yes.
Talking about the fourth point, how can you do Mansa Seva from being in the
Incorporeal world, yes.
Yeah.
It is I explain, when you go to Paramdham, connected with Baba, yes, so you do meditation first, charge with all the powers. After charging, suppose suddenly you will remember one brother is there in end of the world, America, any corner. Baba, yes, he is your child. Give him power of peace. Just do not emerge him. There is no need to emerge. Just have a thought, Baba, he is your child. Give him power of peace. Somebody is suffering from deep disease. Just to think, Baba, he is your child. Give him power, medicine, pure vibrations. Serve from the mind, from incorporeal world. For that, first, you have to do very deep connection with him. It is many times it is explained. That's why I have not repeated. So, but when you sit in meditation, first be soul conscious. How you will become soul conscious? What you will do? Just I am a soul, you will become soul conscious? No. Minimum, if I want to know you, I will ask 2-3 questions. No, brother, what is your name? From where you came? What you are doing? Then I came to know about you. So Baba Chan, realize yourself as a soul. How to realize? Ask 4 questions. Who am I? Suddenly intellect will give answer. Yes, I am so and so. What is my form? Suddenly intellect will give you answer. Yes, this is my form. What are my qualities? Yes, these are my innate qualities. 4th, what I am doing? Yes, I am driving this car, sitting in the middle of forehead. If I want to see, I see here and there. So I am using this body. If I am using this body, I came from where? Above sun and moon. There is subtle world. Above that there is incorporeal world. So who is there? Oh, it is my home. Who is here? My father. Who is he? He is having 8 powers. He is always pure. Compare yourself. How is my father? What he is doing? Son shows father. Follow father. My father is always pure. I want to become just like him. He is always peaceful. He never gets angry. I want to follow my father. He is always serving others by knowledge. I want to serve others. I want to follow him. Compare. So when you are comparing with him, so you are connected to him. After that, Baba, he is your child, very good. Give him power of peace, serve others from there. So you are connected with the power, and from there you are creating thoughts. Those thoughts are powerful. They will reach to your destination. From here when you are thinking, it is not connected with the powerhouse. So these vibrations, and they are those you are doing from there, it is powerful vibration. There's a difference. From here, serving with vibrations, positive vibrations. And from there, it is powerful vibrations. Okay? Clear?
Om Shanti. You said that Mansa Seva to people with negative energy. Now, my question is that, do we start doing this? See, Baba says Sahan Shakti and Sahan Shilta. That is one particular point. But do we do this after we reach a threshold, or do we do it till the time we are able to tolerate it? Or should we do it after we reach a threshold and then we start doing
today
it?
only, there is no need to, these powers will come naturally. Suppose whenever you know in your family, suppose your children, your husband, always they get angry. Okay, it is their role they are playing. What is your role? What Baba said? They do not tolerate all this. Just Baba, he is your child. He is not my husband. He is not my child. He is your child. You give him power of peace. You create positive. So when suppose when he is getting angry on you, you do not tell anything. Keep quiet just to remember. Baba, he is talking to you. He get angry on you because he is your child. You give him power of peace. Understood? If you are doing this, what he is doing, that you are not listening. You are not giving attention. His words, his vibration never influence on you. Understood? You create positive at that time. This is self-protection. If you are doing like this way, your vibrations will stop him. Regularly if you are doing.
Om Shanti. It's rather more remark than a question. Question remark. The crucial step, first step, of becoming a soul consciousness, meaning being easy, that you can fly, I think it's like fingerprints, not two alike. Everybody comes with his own sanskaras, with his own drama, so the time to take, this crucial point must be different between each other and very personal because of this very unique sanskaras and drama of each soul. Is it true?
Yes. But along with that, practice makes the man perfect. Because sanskars are very strong. But in this confluence age, Baba, Almighty Father, he is also very powerful. He came and he is teaching. He is giving medicine. Just when you sit in meditation, talk to you. Who am I? Whom we are asking? Mind is asking to intellect. When we listen, when you have taken 7 days course, we know. So intellect will give answer, yes, I am so and so. That I realize. Second, if I am so and so, so what is my form? Yes, I am just like a star, not bundle of bones. It is physical. Then what are my qualities? One by one we activate. If I am doing this regularly, early in the morning, before when you get up, 5 minutes, so we activate ourselves. Then even though negative sanskars will emerge, but intellect is powerful, yes, you will control. It is past, okay, you will tolerate. Because soul is there, soul is having power. And Baba said meditation early in the morning when you are sitting, you are activating, we are charging. With this system, if you are doing regularly, powerful soul will control the deep-rooted sanskars. Mind also sometimes going here and there. We can convince, why you think about him? Why you think about it? Talk to you. Convince yourself. Like this way, if you are practicing, you will become strong. One day, intellect will be stable. Mind or sanskar cannot shake you. But it takes time. Slow and steady makes the man perfect.
Om Shanti, my question is that my understanding was that if I'm getting a ill feeling for somebody, or like angry or something, I should send him good wishes instead of getting angry or, having a ill feelings. But now I understand that I have to do the Mansa Seva by talking to the Baba that give him the love and, give him empowerment. So what I need to do, both?
Both. First, talk to you also. When you see here, thoughts is coming, why she is doing this? Oh, it is her role. What I have to do? Baba said, take power from me and give her. So instead of that, just you are thinking about her, we are polluting. Our mind will get polluted. So do not do that. It is her role. Then what is my role? That you do it. Understood? So if you are doing, so her thoughts never come in your mind. You will protect from outside influence. That is in your hand. That is Mansa Seva. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Brother?
Om Shanti. Whether it's a general question, since you've been in Gyan for so many years in Baba's knowledge, just wanted to know what will be your contribution to us soul every time we come for the season to meet Baba. What we should consider when we meet Baba. What we should grab.
Only one point. So, after coming here, you should not prepare. It is very late. Before coming to Madhuban, since 1 month, 2 months, 3 months before you are booking from your plane, no? In advance you have to prepare. Always you have to prepare. Not after coming here. So in advance, before coming, I have to go and Baba has given me this homework that I have to do. You have to remember what Baba has given homework last year. Baba will ask. And then only he will give next year, for the next year homework. So I have not done the past homework. So first, before coming, I have to prepare. Where I am going, why I am going, and with what I am going with powers. I am going to serve others, not to take anything, to give others. First time you came. So if you came first time after coming here, now whatever you are listening each day, take one Murli point, keep in your pocket. Again, 3 times in a day you feed. If you meet somebody, share with them. This you do first. Okay? Because knowledge must be there. Morning when you are sitting, do morning meditation. In the evening, take some time and do meditate. Twice in a day, charge your mobile. Charge yourself. These 2 things you do it, sufficient. Okay? Om Shanti.